Okay, hello, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak louder because I cannot clearly hear you. Do you have any
Yes,
friends
ma'am.
or any family members working here?
None, ma'am. None, ma'am.
None. Okay. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
This is your first time working abroad, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in any other country, Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe like in Middle East?
Same country for all the ma'am.
Safe country for OFW. Okay, can you help me introduce
Yes.
yourself, please?
I am Romelin Romeo. I live in Santa Maria, Bugay, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I'm 36 years old. My birthplace, November 5, 1987.
Okay. Are you single or married?
Single, ma'am.
Single mother?
Not, no, ma'am.
Okay, you have adopted children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And these are the three children, which is 17, 14, and 7 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
5'0", ma'am.
Okay, your weight?
56, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school grad, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My family, ma'am.
Okay, what is your parents' occupation and how old are they? And then what is your how many brother and how many sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
My mother is housewife, and my brother is fisherman, and my sister is two sisters, ma'am.
Okay, what is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the
Eldest,
third?
eldest, ma'am.
Eldest. Okay, so how old is your father?
65, ma'am.
Okay, what is his occupation?
She's dead.
Oh, deceased. What about your mother?
Housewife, ma'am.
How old is she?
63.
Okay, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes,
Please speak louder. I cannot clearly hear you.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data, are you really willing to come here and work in Malaysia? Because this is your first time working abroad. You might feel homesickness. Can you endure homesickness?
I can work hard, ma'am.
Good. So do you have health issues or do you have any problem with your body? Are you physically stable, mentally stable?
And ma'am.
So you don't have any health issues.
No, ma'am.
Okay. In your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines. In which place in the Philippines is this?
In Cagayan Valley, ma'am.
Cagayan Valley. You worked there for way back 2016 until presently, correct? For eight
Yes, ma'am.
years. Okay, can you describe what are your responsibilities to your employer?
I am cleaning and wash and all around, ma'am.
You do house chores, you do cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children or elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the child that you take care?
I am adopted is 14 and 17 years old.
No. You work in Cagayan Valley for 8 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children?
No, ma'am.
No. So you do house chores only. Cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So being a domestic helper is very tough. You need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible because there is no such a thing that you will do house chores only. You need to take care children, elderly also. Are you
Yes, ma'am.
okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take care pets? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish it. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, it's not 1 year. It's a 2 years contract. So you know what will be the consequences, right? You need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency. Nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you aware also in usage of mobile handphone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I let you know. You cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But you can
Yes,
hold
ma'am.
it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so on your rest day, you are entitled also to have a rest once a week, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, normally how are you gonna fight your homesickness?
I can work hard, ma'am.
That's all you can work hard. Then how are you gonna fight your homesickness? Like if you miss your children, you miss your family, what will you do?
I finish my work. I call my family, ma'am.
You call your family. Okay, so I just wanted to make it clear to you the reality of working abroad, Romilin. This is not for playing only. Okay? It is not Philippines that if you wanted to go back home, you can easily go back home. No such a thing. If there is anything might happen back to the Philippines to your family members, you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You must know the consequences. Working abroad is not that so easy. It is very tough and you need to have some brave heart. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All you need to do is follow, respect the rules and regulations of the employer. If you don't agree with the rules, it's okay. We don't force people. But if you agree about our rules and regulations, it's okay. You can come and work here. We just wanted like to clarify to you that once you reach here in Malaysia, we don't want later that you will going to complain us regarding that, ma'am, I don't know the rules and regulations. That's why in our initial interview, I wanted to let you know what are those rules and regulations, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you okay? Are you really willing to come here?
I'm willing, ma'am.
Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day. Bye.